Hey everyone, this is Max Edson, co-founder of Price, going to walk you through our for sale and sold comps page today. And this comes straight from our results page. So if you want to see exactly how I got here, click the X, and then we're right back on the results page. And all you have to do is go through the rows. Whenever you find one interesting, you want to make sure you're checking this box and then go to our for sale and sold comps button. When you click that, that's when this page is going to pop up. And you can see that there's 40 comps in this area. Between San Bernardino County, California, 25 to 29.99 acres. We give you a projected offer price that's just in between that range so you can see a dollar amount. Obviously, when there's acreages below that, our offer price will be less. If it's higher, then it'll be more. And that number is just based off this offer price per acre right here. And so when I go back in here, let me go over the rows for you that we have in the columns. So we have price, acreage, city, status, if it's for sale or sold, was the comp used on our model, and then last but not least, the source of where it came from. And this is a really cool feature that we've added where you can actually click on each one of these comp links here to see the land, what's actually being sold or on the market. So you can get an even more informed decision of what you're looking at. So you can do this for every single one. We have this listed for all of the comps in our database, Lands of America, we can go there. I can tab to the next pages, find a land watch one, look at this one, and you can do this for every single one to get a better idea of exactly what you're looking at. So once you have that, you like everything you see, you can exit out, confirm that's okay, move on to the next one, and you can do this for each different row. So now we're going to look at San Bernardino County, California, 35 to 39.99. All you want to do is just make sure you're verifying that this says the place that you want to actually look for the comps. Go in the comps button here, and then the new comps are going to pop up. And again, you can do the same exact thing. So there's 54 in here. Make sure which ones are sold, which ones are for sale. Look at the price, the acreage, and right now we sort by price just for your awareness. You can look at the city, and then was it used on our model, and then the source. So again, I can go through the tabs and see Zillow. This one was sold on 11/15/17. Go to Lands of America. This one was sold here. Look at that land, and I can just keep tabbing through the pages again. So this is our for sale and sold comps page. I hope you like it and enjoy.